Hi there, this is Norm. I just want to show you a little simple electric motor that I just put together in the shed, just to identify or show students how we can create electromagnetic fields. What I've got is a piece of pine wood that I've painted white. It's about 150 millimeters long, about 90 millimeters wide, and I've used a couple of pieces of half-inch copper pipe that I've flattened in the vise and then bent up on an angle, and I've bolted them to the piece of wood to form a pivot for a piece of copper enamelled wire that I've wound around. You can see here just very fine gauge 1mm copper wire, maybe 1.2mm enamelled copper wire that I've wound around on a double A or a D size battery to get a nice round shape. Bound it together with a couple of legs poking out. I've used my Dolphin torch battery here. You can see I've taken it out of my Dolphin torch and used that with a couple of jumper leads. So I've got a hardwood base, a couple of half-inch pieces of copper pipe that I've bent up and bolted to the bit of wood, a permanent magnet, a 9-volt battery, a 6-volt battery out of my Dolphin torch, a couple of jumper leads. Now if I connect all this together, you'll actually see that I induce an electromagnetic field into this copper winding, which reacts to the permanent magnet, and hopefully, I haven't tried it, but hopefully, sorry about that, it'll work. So I've put the battery, connected the battery to these two copper tags, which will be in turn inducing, and you can actually see that the loop's starting to react with the magnet, bouncing around. I haven't got it too balanced, so I probably need to give a bit of a hand, but if I leave that now, that'll run until my battery goes flat. So I've got a battery, 6 volts, connecting each side of this copper loop, creating a electromagnet which will react with a permanent magnet. How does it do that? Well, you've all probably used magnets and like poles attract, unlike poles repel. So what we're doing is inducing a north and south magnetic field into this wire loop, which reacts to the north and south fields of the permanent magnet, and it makes it spin. Real simple electric motor, great to show the electrical theory. Should try it. Took me about half an hour to put together.